Hi guys. Have you ever wondered why Indian cuisine tastes so different from other cuisines in the world? It's primarily because of the spices, or as we call the masalas. So here we are in Jaipur in Masala Chowk, Ram Nivas Bagh. It's just a stone's throw from Albert Hall. Beautiful place to be in. I hadn't known about this place till Manny told me. And apparently there are shops here and for the past 5 generations these guys have shops in several parts of Jaipur. So instead of going to those different parts of Jaipur, you get everything in one place. So we're here at the Masala Chowk, so let's go inside and see what this place has to offer us. Come, follow me. So this is the first shop. It's called Samrat and he has a lot of items to offer, which is dabeli, vada pav, chola bhatura, butter kulcha. So this is apparently the chola bhature here is the fastest selling item, and that's what this guy is saying. They're taking full precaution for cleaning up the place and keeping everything sanitized, which is nice in these COVID times. And chole bhature is basically, it's like a it's wheat, it's flour which has been fried. It's good stuff, very filling, and we normally wash it down with a glass of lassi or a cup of tea. This is Gopal Singh Patasi Bhandar. Now Patasi apparently was told to me by Shiv. Patasi is sometimes called puchka in the eastern side of India, which is West Bengal and Bihar, and it's called golgappe in Delhi, where here it's called patasa or patasi. So this is how it looks. I think the only way to eat it is to open your mouth as wide as you can. There you are. How was it, Manny? Awesome, huh? It's spicy? Okay, good. Thank you, Bhaiya. Okay, next we can see Shankar Samosa. And this again is very heavy, guys. It's always best when it's had with lassi, which is very refreshing. This is the Indian ice cream faluda. Okay, so they have different kinds of colored water. So Raman dosa wala. Dosa is primarily a South Indian dish, so I'm not too sure how it tastes here in Jaipur, but one could give it a try. So this is Gulab Ji Chai wala. Huh? This again is the most lovable beverage of Indians, the chai, the masala chai as we call it. It's an anytime drink. You can have it in the morning, you can have it in the afternoon, you can have it in the evening. And Indians always love their tea, and they always like to have it their own way. Some people like to have their tea strong with less sugar. Some people like to have their tea with a lot of sugar and keep it light with a lot of milk in it. So it depends on each one's preferences.
Kind of tea.
Yeah, tell me.
Yes, so here is 3 kind of tea. One is Kullad chai, and one is tandoori chai, and one is Kesar tandoori chai.
This is what is known as the Kullad. It's spelled Kulhad, and it's made of, it's an earthen pot, and the best thing is it's biodegradable. So once you have had your tea, you've relished your tea, you can just smash the glass, it kind of merges with the earth. Absolutely eco-friendly, biodegradable, the best thing to have tea in. And the best thing is that when you have your tea in a Kullad, it tastes even more better.
This generates a lot of employment also.
That's right, yeah. That's a good point by Shiv. This generates a lot of employment also, because then we have a lot of people who are working to make this kind of stuff. Now the beauty about having Indian tea is the way they oxidize it. So you notice that he was picking up the ladle and pushing it down. So when the tea passes through the layers of oxygen, there's oxygenation which happens and which makes the tea always taste better, as akin to the American tea or the English breakfast tea, which don't taste that good because there's no oxidizing which is happening. But the oxidization process in the tea makes the tea even more better. So the tea is ready after about 4.5-5 minutes, and it's ready to be poured into the Kullad, or into this, I guess.
making the roasted tandoori chai.
Oh wow, that's interesting, yeah.
Cheers.
That's it. Cheers, cheers. Enjoy. This is the Delhi Chaat and Cafe. Wow, panna. This is the Brijwasi Faluda Kesar Kulfi. So they have cold coffee with ice cream also, and they have hot brownie with ice cream, and they have matka kulfi. But apparently the most famous item that they have is the Royal Mix Faluda with ice cream. This is the Pavana Rajasthan Vyanjan. So this is the most famous Rajasthani dish, which is called the Dal Bati Churma. And then they have Sada Roti, then they have Bejar Roti, Missi Roti, Bajra Roti and Lassi. This is the Jaipuri Chatkara. They have the patasas and they have some breads and they have some fried puris and they have some tikkis. Wow, that's a pretty nice solid name. House on Fire. Very catchy name. So they have some chicken roll, mutton roll, shahi kebab platter, and this is Ande Walas. This is from the name, I think it's only to do with eggs. So they have a host of egg recipes: masala egg bhurji, egg roll, and then they have some egg curry combos. So I think people who really love their eggs should try out this shop.